So yeah, this is how the steering turned out. Got it mounted onto the dash there, down to the steering joint that I cut, welded onto there, the shaft piece that we cut out and then inserted that piece to the right length, and then down to the steering joint down the bottom. So it goes back and forth. So the only thing I'm concerned about is it's quite, well, not heavy at the moment, but it's going to be heavy when it gets on the ground. So I guess we've gone from, you know, handlebars that are this wide with that much leverage down to a little steering wheel. So I could go a bigger steering wheel, but it's probably going to hit on your knees down there. So I'm thinking of having to change a plan and go into a plan B. So have this steering shaft come straight up somewhere to here, have a gear and a chain across to here to a smaller gear, so effectively having a gear reduction. So to do that, the kiddo's old push bike's going to get the chop. Sorry. With this uni joint straight up the shaft of the steering wheel, it's too heavy. So version 2, I'm going to use like 2 gears to get a gear reduction, and then make up some sort of assembly with the small gear on here across to the bigger gear here and straight down to that shaft. There's a proper option, I guess, is to cut all this shit out down here and make a rack and pinion setup, but I just really can't be fucked doing that. It's a lot of work. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to do it, but we'll try this first.